this week than last year the same time, though it's actually quite negligible. And these are going under contract in 4 median days. It's Friday, April 19th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. There are a total of 106 homes for sale in all Annapolis zip codes. 21401 has 57 for sale, with 9 going to contract over the past week. 21403 has 35 for sale as 14 went to contract, and 21409 has 13 for sale while 4 went to contract since last week. 13 homes for sale are in active adult communities with a median price point of $439,000. 23 sold since last report at 100.8% list to sold ratio. There are 29 rental homes available at a median $3,200 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 19th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.